Hey everybody, Vaiden of Hanks BBQ. Today we're going to be doing grilled catfish. So what we did with the catfish fillet, we took Moore's Marinade, kind of drizzled it with the Moore's. Then we put our garlic butter rub on it, and then we added a little barbecue rub to it for color. Add a sweet yellow onion, and you're mainly doing that for the reduction of the onion to keep the catfish nice and moist so it doesn't dry out. Then we place it on the cooker at about 425. Now catfish is a really quick cook. So you want to go about 15-20 minutes. The catfish starts getting flaky. You start seeing it crisp up around the edges, then you know it's time to bring it off. Now to go with this catfish dish that we're preparing, we took a regular tomato and we scored the top of it. We put some bacon on it. We took a slice of provolone cheese and put on it, placed it on the grill, and what we want is the tomato to get tender. Usually about a 10-minute, 15-minute frame. You don't want it to where it's mush, but you want it tender. The tomato is a really nice side dish to go with the catfish, so what you've got is a light, flavorful meal. Thanks again for watching the video. Stay tuned, we got more great videos coming your way.